Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial. How to send Cardano, ADA, from your Phantom wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to bridge assets between different blockchains, this is for you. Phantom is primarily for Solana, and MetaMask is all about Ethereum, so we'll need to use a bridge to make this happen smoothly. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and funded. You'll need some ADA in your Phantom wallet and MetaMask installed on your device. Also, keep an eye on gas fees and network congestion, as these can vary. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and go to the Assets section. Select your ADA balance and choose the option to send or transfer. Before you proceed, you'll need to connect to a reliable bridge service like Wormhole or another cross-chain platform that's popular in 2025. These bridges allow you to wrap your ADA into a format that MetaMask can handle, such as WADA on the Ethereum network. Step 2. Once you're on the bridge interface, follow the prompts to deposit your ADA. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check the recipient address, which should be your MetaMask wallet address, and confirm the transaction. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while it processes. Step 3. After the bridge confirms the transfer, switch over to MetaMask. You should see your wrapped ADA appear in your wallet shortly. If it doesn't, check the bridge's status page for any delays. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for security when dealing with large amounts, and never share your seed phrases. Also, in 2025, make sure you're on the latest wallet versions to avoid compatibility issues. And there you have it. That's how you send Cardano from Phantom to MetaMask. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the Web3 world. Thanks for watching.